I'm going to call this part 2 of number 7 on lateral surface area and surface area. I felt like I should have gone into a little bit more detail. Let's do some of this math, okay? Again, when we're trying to find the lateral area, right? Lateral area. What we are trying to find is just the surface area of all of these things if they were laid out flat, except for the base. Right? We're not going to include that red base right there in our equation or in our calculations. Okay? So let's take them one at a time. All right? The first thing we want to find is the area of this triangle. Well, what's the formula for area of a triangle? A equals 1/2 the base times the height. Right? Well, so A equals what's 1/2, and then what's the base? How long is the base? Well, we know if we look at this side, isn't it the same? Isn't this side the same as this side? Yeah, it's 6 times. And how high is it? How high is it? Well, isn't it 8 inches high? Right? So if we do A equals 1/2, 6 times 8. Well, 6 times 8 is 48. And 48 times 1/2, that's just taking half of 48, is 24. Right? So this area of this one is 24. And also this one is 24. Right? Because we're going to add this one and this one because they are exactly the same. Now what we have to do is find the area of the rectangles. We're going to find the area of this rectangle. This rectangle, right? And then we're going to find the area of the rectangle on the front that we can't see that very well. All right, so the area of a rectangle, all we're going to do is 1/2 the base times the height. Well, how long is it? It's 12, right? And how wide is it? It's 10. So 10 times 12 is 120. So the area of this rectangle right here is 120. Okay, now we only have one left to do, and I'm going to back up so I can redraw, okay, and you can see which one we haven't done yet. Okay, all right, just bear with me. I'm using the backup button on my phone to go back. All right, so we found the area of this one on the back, but we have to find also the area of this one on the front, right? This one, okay? Well, isn't it 12 times 8, right? So 12 times 8 is 96. The other one was 120. The other, whenever we found the rectangles, what was the answer? Well, the rectangles were 6 by 8, right? Times 1/2. So those were both 24. So if we add all those numbers together, 96, 120, 24, and 24, that will give us the lateral area of this shape right here. And then all we have to do is then find the area of the red base on the bottom and add it to it, and that will give us the total surface area. I hope that makes sense. I know my drawing was a little bit messy, but hopefully that helped.